Hello, my name is Julia Deien, and I am one of the leaders of our technology group at Anders CPA Advisors. I came across the Crancer Group online about a year ago. I was very interested in their services, to which they offer to Microsoft partners. As most of the partners know, navigating the partnership, incentives, and requirements needed take a lot of time. It was very nice to work with another company who can navigate the changes and help feed it to us when we need to stay relevant.
So Julia, how do our services challenge the way you do business?
So the Crancer team really challenged our way of thinking around managed services. We found we had a disconnect of what we said we offered to what we were actually doing for our clients. The Crancer team worked with us to brainstorm and build out packages around all of the services we were already offering, as well as a way for us to add in the new services we wanted to do for our clients. Once we had it all down, the packages came together in a way we could easily discuss with our clients on the why these packages worked better for their growth. We have an even stronger relationship now with our clients that we are more than just support, but a partner to help drive their business towards their goals.
How did the Customer Immersion Experience Initiative impact the way you do business?
Of all the services that the Crancer team offers, the customer immersion experiences are what really helped us drive growth. Having a dedicated monthly customer immersion experience session already scheduled to offer to our prospects and clients continues to build our value to what we offer. We continue to get rave reviews from our prospects and clients on the knowledge and the energy that the Crancer team is able to bring to these virtual sessions. Working with the Crancer Group has not only made us a stronger Microsoft partner, but a more valued partner to our clients. I look forward to the continued growth of our technology practice as well as our partnerships. Thank you.